my channel. So today we are going to see one of the important factors, that is we are going to see from January 2024 up till now what has happened in the market. Okay, now let's get started. So we will start with index. We will start with index and then we will separately cover Bank Nifty and its contributors, and then we will separately cover Nifty with its contributors for the whole year 2024. Okay, now we will go with index first. So I'm taking Nifty chart. So I'm mostly taking weekly range because weekly range is very important. And then you see here 2024. Okay, so we will see where was the news based movement, and how much percentage was the max for 1 week, and how much percentage is low for 1 week. Okay, so I'll try to analyze this. So this is 2024. So this is the candle. So week start was a doji candle. Okay, so you should remember that 21,500 was the very good support for this year, and then above was 26,000 for Nifty. It's a very good resistant so far. Okay, let's try to analyze. So what is we can see is from January to, okay, so I'll just try to move more so that we will see individual month. That will give us more insight. Okay, so now we will see from January to February. What happened here is market has been in range for first 2 weeks, and the second week you see it went up in the breakout and then it just fall down, and then for 2 weeks it was continuously falling down, and then the third week again it came into the same range and gave a close in the same range. Okay, now we'll go to February month. What February month is, first 2 weeks again in the range and then gives a breakout, and then the breakout has sustained. Okay, so February month it was trending, while in January it's mostly sideways. Okay, now we'll go to March to April. March to April is a V-shaped recovery. You could see second week it was a big fall here up till here, touches the support and again it rises. Okay, so it was a V-shaped recovery. April month was also a V-shaped recovery. As you could see, last 2 weeks were sideways and it was seller's day. Now May month, the support has improved here, and first 2 weeks it was sideways, and then it comes breakout, and then again for the next 2 weeks it was sideways. So this candle where you see a big wick, that is June first week, was news based movement. Okay, so it was a V-shaped recovery for June. Then July it was clearly trending. Mostly July it was it was respecting the trend line here. Okay, and then August it was a gap down, and then again the fall was not there for August month. September month is still continuing in one direction. So this is a big profit booking candle, and then there was no big major profit booking after the June month. Okay, so we can expect October, November or December to have a sideways movement or to see a major fall. Okay, so this is what happened in this week. Okay, for Nifty. Now we'll go and try to analyze Bank Nifty in the weekly calendar. Okay, so now you see here, I try to erase all these stuffs and we'll just keep the resistance, and then this was the here's support. Okay, so you could see 24, sorry, here was the start. Okay, so this was the range basically. So what happened in January month, so here it's February, so you see it was a major fall because there was a news in HDFC Bank, so that's why HDFC fall and Bank Nifty falls. But it takes support here in 45,000, which is the November month support, so it is a very good support, and then from there The next week, February, you see it was sideways and then breakout, then sideways. And March, it touches the peak and then again falls down. So this is like a profit booking candle. Okay, and then again March, last 2 weeks it went sideways. April was a V-shaped recovery, so it just went up, down, and again closed at the same position. So it was a big player move. Okay, then May month is also V-shaped recovery with a profit booking candle here. Then June month, it was one side, just the first week, you could see the fall because this fall was news based, that is budget news based. Okay, and then again July month it was falling. Okay, while July month in the Nifty it was going up, but Bank Nifty it was falling. August month it was clearly sideways, and September it was again a uptrend. Okay, so mostly you could see the doji candles all indicates sideways having a strong resistance and support. Okay, now we'll go to the next one, that is Finnifty. Okay, so I'll try to erase all the other lines so you'll get a clear idea. So this was the start. Okay, this was the start. Okay, now let's try to analyze. Okay, now this was 24 and this was February month. As you could see, this was a fall month because of the HDFC news. Okay, now then again February month, you see it was taking in a sideways move with little bit of breakout, and then again it just went sideways, then little bit of breakout, and then again April month sideways. Up till May month the same strong resistance and support was there, and then you see a breakout and a down. This was actually news based. So after that it was a trending move in June, and then July it was sideways, and then August it took support and went one direction, till September it is one direction. Okay, so now what we have to see, this is the range, so 21,000 and 24,000. So between 3k market has been moving very well. Okay, now we will try to analyze Midcap Nifty. Okay, so Midcap Nifty select is little bit confusing because Midcap has always been a bit confusing because we cannot judge if it is Bank Nifty or Nifty. With the banking stocks we can judge, but Midcap is whenever there is a bull run, mid-cap stocks will perform very well, and whenever it is a bearish run, then you see mid-cap will not perform well, and the fall will be very fast. Okay, so now since market are bullish from 2023, you could see it is beautifully moving in unidirectional, that is one direction. We'll try to analyze how many days it was sideways. Okay, so January month it was slowly increasing and sideways. February month also sideways. March it was a V-shaped recovery. April it was sideways. May it was one directional. June it was one directional except for this news based rally, that is downside. So technically it was a V shape, and then again with a breakout, July was also sideways, August trending, and now September it is being sideways till now. Okay, so this is actually giving more opportunity to the sellers to have the straddle and strangle opportunities in the market. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So this is weekly candles, and then the analysis is from 2024 till date. Okay, so next up we will see the stocks and we'll find out same regions. So yeah, sorry, how much fall is the max and how much is the minimum? Okay, that I have just left it. So this doji, you see, this week was very minimum. I mean, the high was 140 and the low was 955. So just 100 points in 1 week is the minimum. The max, we will exclude the news based. The max rally you could see here is 932 up till, let's keep 900 to 700. So it's almost 800 points the max run for 1 week it can give. That too it gave during July month, July 3rd week, and then the minimum is 100. So anywhere for mid cap select for 1 week, market will move from 100 points to the max is 900 points if there is any news. Okay, and then if this is a big event like budget, then the fall is sure for 2k. Okay, I'll try to find out the minimum and maximum for 1 week in Finnifty. Okay, so wherever we find a doji candle, the smallest doji I could find is this one. So the range is 531 to 800. So 500 to 800, almost 250 points is the low, and the max we could see on any given day without any news is here. So from 950 to 23,950 to 24,950. So the minimum range, the low range movement is 250 for a week, and then the max it can go is 1000 points moving in 1 week. Okay, and yeah, as it is for bank, this is for Finnifty. We'll go for bank Nifty and we'll find the minimum. So I see this doji as a minimum here. So let's see here, down range is 400, 49, 400 to 49. It's a 80, 49,000. Okay, 400, 600 points is the minimum range. If it can go, give a breakout, I think this candle is big enough. So this is from 49,800 to 51,800, 2k points in 1 week. So the minimum is around 500 and the max it can move is 2k in 1 week. Okay, so yeah, now we will go to Nifty and we'll find out the minimum in 1 week and the maximum. So anywhere the doji candle we will randomly select is here. I could see here, this one is little. So the down range was 22,500 and 22,700. So any good day the doji candle is 200 points movement for Nifty, and if it is very good move or news based, this is 23,300 to 2400. So 17,800 points. Okay, so 100 to 800 points is the max and minimum range movement in 1 week for Nifty. And if it is news based like this, then the movement is very big and then I think it just fall to k. Okay, so only during big events the fall is very huge. Otherwise, in any good day, Nifty has a chance of moving from 100 to 800 points in a week. Okay, so this is weekly analysis, guys. Thank you for watching my channel. So yeah, thanks, keep supporting.